Epi Info 7 has many languages available other than English. Each language has its own database and needs to be installed onto your computer before being installed into Epi Info 7. Multiple languages can be installed on the same computer and at the same time. You'll need a translated database for each language, and the process is the same for all languages. Before you start, you'll need to get a foreign language database. You can contact the Epi Info Help Desk. They have some. Also, some are available on PH Connect at the Epi Info forum, and you can also make a database of your own. We'll have a video in the future of making your own database. I'm in Epi Info 7 at the main menu. I'll select Tools, Options, and then I'll click the Language tab, and I'll click Import Translations. At the top, I'll select the language, and I'm going to choose a version of Spanish. I've chosen Mexican Spanish. Next, I'll connect to the data source. I know that my translation database is on my desktop. It's called Epi Info 7 Spanish Master Translation. I'll click that and click Open. And it doesn't have a password, so I'll click OK. I've highlighted Cultural Resources and I'll click OK. Now to use this language, I'll click Spanish and Apply. I've gotten a confirmation message in Spanish and I'll click OK. Now to use the language, you'll need to close Epi Info 7 and reload it in order for the language to take effect. So I'll click OK and I'll close Epi Info. I'll reopen it, and here you can see all the labels are now in Spanish. You have just been shown how to load a non-English language version of Epi Info 7. Thanks for watching.